Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Here I have the MacBook Neo and I'm going to show you to update your apps. Now of course, you can find all of your apps if you tap on app. It's right down there and it says apps. These are all the apps, usually default stuff that's installed unless you have installed any third-party app. Now mine, I haven't installed anything new as yet, but you can see all the apps there that are the default apps. Now if you're looking for the option to update your apps, there's no option here as it relates to updating your apps. So I'm going to show you to update your apps. So it's very easy. You can look for the App Store. So this is right here. It's this icon that says App Store. And this is the App Store. Go ahead and launch. If it's your first time launching, you'll have to set it up. So agree to the notifications. Now, once you're here, you should be on the Discover tab as seen here. So all you got to do is look over in the left panel here and click on updates, and of course you can see it's showing me that there are some apps here for update. You can manually go to one and hit update. For example, I could choose to update iMovie, or of course I could choose to update numbers, or I can simply select update all, and this is going to scan and update all the apps on your device. So in this case I'm going to hit update all, and as you can see, depending on the speed of your internet, the apps are going to go ahead and they're going to check for the updates. All right, so you may have to verify your account depending on how you have it set up. So go ahead and verify, and the apps are going to update. As you can see now, Keynote is updating currently, and it will go through all of these. You can see Pages as well, and all the other apps are updating, and it should only take a while for it to update the apps. So you want to check here from time to time, especially if they are not updated in time. You can actually manually push the updates to get the latest updates. All right, so it's very easy. Once they're finished, they're going to install the new updates, and of course it will be seamless. So the apps are updating. I'll wait until one is finished. All right, so one is finished. As you see, once they're finished, they'll appear here as recently updated. You don't even have to keep monitoring them. You can actually simply minimize in the background and they'll finish, and then you can check on them later. In terms of their updates, you can always come back and view them. All right, so that's how to do the updates on your device. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.